In today's video, I'm going to teach you print titles in Google Sheets. If you want your printed spreadsheet to look more polished and easier to identify, adding titles, headers, or footer information is a great option. This is especially useful when you are printing multiple pages and want details like the workbook title or sheet name to appear clearly on each page. I'll walk you through exactly where to find these settings and how to customize them so your final printout looks the way you want. To begin, open your Google Sheet and go to the File menu at the top of the screen. From there, choose Print. This will open the Print Setup view where you can preview how your spreadsheet will look on the page before sending it to the printer. Taking a moment here to review the layout can help you catch formatting issues early. Once the print settings appear, look over to the panel on the right-hand side. In that panel, find the section labeled Headers and Footers and click it to expand the available options. This area lets you control what extra information appears around the edges of the printed page. Now, check the boxes for the information you want to include. For example, you might want to display the workbook title or the sheet name. These built-in options are helpful because they automatically pull information from your file, making the printout more organized and easier to reference later. If you are printing for meetings, records, or sharing with others, these small details can make a big difference. If you want your title to appear in a very specific location, such as the top center or bottom right of the page, click Edit Custom Fields. This gives you more control over exactly where your text will appear. You'll see different placement boxes that represent sections of the header and footer. Simply click the box for the position you want to use. Then type in your title. After entering your title, click Confirm to save the custom field. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly review the print preview again to make sure the title appears in the right place and looks the way you expect. If everything looks good, click Next to move forward with printing. That's all it takes to print titles in Google Sheets. It's a simple feature, but it can really improve the clarity and professionalism of your printed documents. Thanks for watching.